Alright, so I almost made a major mistake today. My lovely wife is actually helping me today to disassemble the interior because this is heading over to Danny. I got holding my top to reupholster the seats, door cards, headliner. So go ahead and start this now. So one thing I have left is getting the seat out, waiting for that rain to slow down a little bit so that we can load it in the car. But let me get these screws off. So I got the seat out, and my lovely wife is in here helping me push it back in. I see you. You can't get out? You shrunk, babe. All right, so we got the Lexus all loaded up, all the parts, door cards, both sun visors, this panel. So this is the material we're gonna do the trucking. The man here is working on it. He's gonna start working on it. We're gonna keep everything the same exact style that it came in with that piping and all. He's gonna wrap everything, all the cards, everything will be redone, and it'll be like this.
Para que vean que después he hecho first brush. This is what I gotta do for this guy. You know what I'm saying? I gotta make this panel because look, shitty. Cartón.
La atracción lo tiene loco, un poquito más que un poco. La pasión prendió el foco, enfocado como dos tontos. La atracción lo tiene loco, un poquito más que un poco. La pasión prendió el foco, enfocado como dos tontos.
We got the two door panels, visors, kick panels, the seat. Was that little Josiaco? And we got the and the little shelf. And look at this work, man. I know a lot of guys talking about replacing it, but look what happens when you take it to someone that knows how to wrap. The interior came out incredible, man. Cannot beat this. So today is Friday. I dropped this interior off Monday evening. In less than a week, that man right there. You already know. That's the difference. So you already know Upholstery. So my wife is back to give me a hand today. We're gonna go ahead and install the seat that this guy finished. So we have one more visit left. We gotta take it back to Danny. So he's gonna actually help me mount these correctly. However, the seat is in. You see? Some visors are in. And my wife's currently putting the handle on over there, but yeah, and the tray. So he's gonna help out with that. So stay tuned. We'll be part 2 to this video. Once she's completely done, we'll do a nice walk around.